Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you what to do in case your account gets banned on WhatsApp. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is when you see this error message, you'll also be able to see request a review button below this error message. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you've done that, the next thing you're going to do is long press on the WhatsApp application. You'll be able to see the app info section. Tap on it. Tap on force stop WhatsApp and confirm that you want to force stop by tapping on OK. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on storage. Tap on clear data and confirm that you want to clear data by tapping on clear all data. Once you've done that, head on over to your WhatsApp again. Enter your phone's password if you've locked WhatsApp. Select your language. Tap on agree and continue. Now over here, what you're going to do is you're not going to enter your phone number. Instead, you're going to go ahead and tap on the three-dotted icon that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Once you've done that, tap on help. Now remember to take a screenshot of this window that reads this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam problem. This screenshot is going to come in handy when you're going to post an appeal for WhatsApp to unban your account on WhatsApp support. Now tap on this doesn't answer my question. Over here, go ahead and explain how you haven't violated any type of community guidelines of WhatsApp, yet your account is being banned or you're not being able to use WhatsApp and it says due to spam, even though you haven't spammed on WhatsApp. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on the plus icon to add the screenshot that you've taken of this error message. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see the next button on the bottom right corner of your screen enabled. Go ahead and tap on it. Then you'll be able to contact WhatsApp support and it will get back to you. The next thing you can do is tap on the visit our help center that is highlighted under this page. Go ahead and tap on it. This will redirect you to WhatsApp support website. And under this website, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see contact us. Tap on it. Now tap on the contact us that is highlighted under WhatsApp Messenger support. You will be able to see a form and you'll have to fill out the information in this form so that WhatsApp can get back to you. The first thing you're going to fill out is your phone number, enter your country code, and after that, enter your phone number. Then enter the email address with which you'd like WhatsApp to connect to you. Go ahead and confirm that email address. Now you'll be required to select the device with which you use WhatsApp. On doing so, you'll be met with a text box below, and under this text box, you're going to repeat the same words. Go ahead and explain how you're not able to use your WhatsApp and that your WhatsApp account has been banned, even though you haven't violated any type of community guidelines. So you'd like WhatsApp to review this appeal and get back to you on this topic. Once you've explained all that, go ahead and tap on next step and your WhatsApp appeal should be submitted to WhatsApp and they'll get back to you within a certain amount of time to resolve your issue. And this is how you can get your account unbanned. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below and thanks for watching.